Hi, let's start solving lead code questions. We're going to start with 30 days of JavaScript, and I am going to reference this book, my notes, if I encounter a problem. I'm going to solve these questions in real time. Let me know if you want these notes. I will send you the link. Let's start with the first one and see what we're working with. It's a very straightforward question. Create a hello world function, write a function, create hello world. It should return a new function that always returns hello world. So in this video, what I'm going to do is basically take you through the whole process of my thought process, and it will include all the mistakes because I'm doing this in real time. No editing, nothing. Okay, so let's start with example one here. Argument is nothing, and then I'm getting this hello world output. Okay, the function return should always return hello world. Null hello world, create hello world. Any arguments could be passed to the function, but should still always return hello world. Okay, and here we do. So the problem is I haven't actually, solved a lot of lead code questions, and I don't understand this. Whatever this is, I don't understand it. I have problem understanding this. Okay. Anyway, let's begin. Function console.log hello world turn function. I just his sort of thing that okay, this is the answer, isn't it? Uh and stopwatch. Start stopwatch. No, I'll just stop it. And I'll run this. See if I'm getting the no, I'm running the wrong answer. Why? Undefined. This is what I wrote the last time, I guess, when I was doing this, but I still couldn't crack it, and I'm trying again. So console.log hello world return dot function. So basically, what I have to do here is I'll just write this down. I'll write it down in the notes section. Yeah. So this is what I wrote the last time also. Uh, hmm. So the problem is quite straightforward. I have to, all I have to do is create a function and print hello world in JavaScript. Yeah. Why am I struggling with that also, right? So I'll just move to this thing and see. So this is a learning process. Okay. So there's no judgment here. I'm not judging myself, and I hope you don't judging me as well. Even if you are, I don't give. I don't care, basically. So I'll go to functions. Functions are the bread and butter of JavaScript. Okay. The concept of wrapping a piece of program in a value has many uses. It gives us a way to structure large programs, to reduce repetition, to associate names with subprograms, and to isolate these subprograms from each other. The most obvious application of functions is defining new vocabulary. Creating new words is prose is used in prose is usually bad style, but in programming it is indispensable. This is very very important point here. Defining a function. So constant square function Uh, okay, got it. Okay. So basically, you define the function definition here. Like the function name is the square, and I write here function, and they give the arguments and what you're turning here, and the type from data type. The function is returning basically. Square. This is a function name. This is how you call it. I get the argument here. Let's go back. So function. So if I create hello world. Hmm. That's pretty straightforward, I guess. Hmm. Throw error. Did not return a function. Did not return a function. Why? What's happening? Yeah. Hmm. Then there's a problem. Okay, let's move on. A function is created when an expression that starts with the keyword function. Functions have a set of parameters. Maybe I'll have to return create hello world. I'm just doing trial and error at this point. I'm doing nothing. I'm not understanding the topic. I'm just doing something so that I can get the answer. And it is not good. It's just not good because I just did something else here. I did what's it called? Just not getting the word right now. This is not correct. I knew that. Moving on. A function is created with the expression that starts with the keyword function. Functions have a set of parameters, in this case, only x and a body, which contains the statements that are to be executed when the function is called. Hmm. The function body of a function created this way must always be wrapped in braces. Okay. Hmm. Get it. Return. So that's what I did, right? Console.log. Pling. See, that's what I did. A function can have multiple parameters or no parameters at all. In the following example, make noise does not list any parameter names, whereas power lists two. So make noise is pling. So I did that. Const. Let's see. Let's. Why is it var? It should be const. Return zero. Let's see. I really need to start studying before I do this. Anyway, console.log pling. So why is it a problem if I don't do this? Why is it a problem? Hmm? If I just do this, what's the thing? What's the problem? Again, this is throwing an error to return a function. Okay. Return what? Function? No. Const f create hello world. F hello world. What is it? Not getting. What are you trying to do? Const f hello world. See, I understand if I go here and I do JavaScript compiler, online compiler. Okay. And here I write this code basically. I know it will also throw an error here. But if I do this, yeah, how do I call this function? Hmm, that's how you call. So I think it will print hello world. See, this is what I'm talking about. So maybe I just need to add this line here. I don't know. I don't know. Could be. Hmm. So I'll just write this and voila. You never know. See, there's an error. Again, there's an error. Why? Why? I don't know. I don't understand. Uh, Here it's totally fine, but here there's an error. There's an error. Why? Why is it doing that? Why? Throw error, create, hello world, not creator of function. Oh, why? The thing that I was talking about before was recursion, function calling function, which is not what we want. Okay, I understand that. Create hello world did not return a function line 29 characters. Da, da, da. Notice. Hmm. I am not getting this. I do not understand lead code at all. I don't know why. It's just so frustrating. I mean, I'm doing a little literal hello world question and I can't even do that. This is frustrating. 29. Where's line 29, bro? There is no line 29. Okay, maybe I'm getting something. Maybe wait a second. Wait, I'm cooking. I am cooking. Wait, wait. Speed. What? No, no, no. एक second. Why is this doing this? Returning twice. Why? Just explain me one thing. Why is it working here, but it's not working here? Why? I mean, I know why, but why? Close this one. I thought it would be like a really fun video because it will also include my mistakes and the learning curve. And it's just, I'm really on the bottom part of the curve. I'm not even progressing anywhere. And it's been 14 minutes. I'll just And I'm just doing this in real time. I'm not going to edit this. So I guess you'll have to watch me struggle. That's it. Mm-mm-mm. Just give me a hint, God. What is happening? Maybe I should remove this. That help. That help. The. I don't think so. Where is this line 25? Line 25 is not even there in the solution, bro. It's just 10 lines of code. How it can be, how, how is there a 25 fifth line? Create hello world did not return a function. Okay, you want me to return a function here. Write a function, create hello world. It should return a new function that always returns hello world. Sorry. No. Write a function, create hello world. ठीक है. It should always, it should return a new function that always returns hello world. Okay. I have created a function, create hello world. Okay. That creates another function that it should return a new function that always returns hello world. Okay. So I'll do const f is equals to function. ठीक है. And then I will have this. Hmm. Have return f. Is this fine? Array it did return a function. What are you talking about? F function. Should I like? Mm, what do you want me to do? Create hello world did not return a function. Solution.js. Solution में चले जाऊँ क्या? Hello world and find hello world. What is happening? What is happening? Console.log. Console.log. Power to some functions, parameters, bindings, and scopes. If yes, hmm. No, I know. I don't need that. I just want give me some character wala function. Functions as values, mile systems now. Cell systems. No, no. I think I'll just have to to see this question. Higher order functions. This question is intended as an introduction to JavaScript functions. Thank you. This is syntax and topics like closures and higher order functions. Examples you can do this by pasting into the lead code playground. Let's see what's that in a while. An awesome thing about JavaScript is your browser has a built-in execution environment. You can read more on how to execute within your browser. I know that one. Okay, let's move on. Basic syntax is function AB return function. Yeah, got that. Anonymous functions and function AB return. Okay, so maybe this will be var. I don't know. Var function. Hmm. Immediately invoked function expression. Create a function immediately executed in Java. Result return sum. Return sum. Give me the answer, no. Give me the answer. Solutions to problem. Return function. So that's what I did, right? That's what I did here. No, normal one is this, and I did that. Function, return, function. Okay, so maybe I don't know how to do this thing. Maybe I'll try doing this. Still, still. Arey? Okay, whatever. I don't care anymore. I'll just delete this. Return function. Okay, so the function also has to return something. So it can't return console.log. It has to return hello world. Whatever, I guess. I hope this works now. Yeah, fine. Submit, I guess. So thank you so much for watching this video. I think that's it. And hope I see you again. Okay. Bye.